Hello, good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn half part of chapter 6. The pages are 190, 191, and 192. Birds take care of their babies. In this part of this chapter, we are going to learn about babies of different birds, how they take care of their babies, and how they use their feathers or wings to fly or taking care of their babies. And let's begin today's chapter. Birds take care of their babies. The mother bird lays eggs as soon as the nest is built. Usually the mother bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm and to protect the eggs from enemies. Why they cover their eggs? Because of keeping their eggs as warm and also to keep protected from other enemies like snakes and eagles, crow. These are birds enemies. So these also are birds. Eagles and crows also are birds, but what they do is they just steal other birds eggs and eat them, so that they always sit on their eggs to keep warm and protect them from other enemies. After the egg hatch, means when the baby comes or become egg becomes baby, and inside a egg a baby comes. The baby birds comes out. They are very weak and no wings or feathers. As soon as they come from their eggs, the baby has no wings or feathers. They cannot fly and eat food by themselves. They cannot eat food by themselves or cannot fly because their feathers, they have no feathers, and also their wings are very weak. Parent birds feed them and keep them warm. They also protect them from enemies. After getting born also, when they get born, after that also what they do is the parent mother covers them with their wings to keep warm and also protect them from other enemies. They also protect them from enemies. Slowly the birds grow feathers and wings and learn to fly. And after a few days, like 15 days or 20 days, the baby birds feathers grow and wings also grow, and slowly they learn to fly in the air or in the sky. Till then the parent take care of them. Till the baby bird flies, the parent of the bird or baby birds take care of them like other animals or human. Like when you are a child, at that time your mother or your parent take care of till you walk or till you are able to eat yourself. Let us move to the next one. How do birds fly? Let's solve this question. Birds have light and hollow bones and streamlined bodies. What they have? They have very, what kind of empty space in their bones, and also they have light body and streamlined, or their bodies are like lined one. They also have wings to fly. They lift themselves easily and fly by flapping their wings. Their body is very light. Because of that, they can lift their body in the air, and when they flap their wings, they fly high. That is by moving them upwards and downwards. Whenever they want, they can move downwards or upwards. The upward movement of the wings is called the upstroke. Whenever they flap their wings and fly high, that is called upstroke. And the downwards movement of the wings is called the downstroke. Whenever they fly down, they come down, that is called downstroke. Birds also have a tail. They have what? Tail. The tail helps them in changing the direction while flying. The work of their tail is to change the direction whenever or wherever they want to go. They can change the direction towards. This is the structure of a bird. They have lined and tail and very big uh, wings. Next one, let's learn about feathers. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. Feathers are also very light and strong. So here the point is, because of light feathers and strong feathers, they can fly high, and also their body is covered with what? Feathers, so that they can keep their body warm. Feathers are of two types: down feathers and flight feathers. The small fluffy feathers that cover the body are called down feathers. These feathers keep them warm. The other bodies, then wings. Wings are different and feathers are different. So these feathers help them in keeping their body warm. The long and strong feathers attached to the wings and tail are called flight feathers. So the feathers which one is attached with their wings are called flight feathers. They help the birds in flying. These feathers, the which one is attached, the feathers which one is attached with their wings are called flight feathers, so that these wings help them in flying. Birds migration. Bird migration. Let's learn about bird migration. What does it mean by migration? Migration means something is moving from one place to another with a huge number. You understand what I mean? That means it can be human people also, or sometimes it can be animals or birds. These things move in search of food or safe place according to weather. So let's learn about bird migration. Some birds fly large distances when food becomes scarce or weather conditions become harsh. Means it is difficult to live in a particular place. Some birds are there who move one place to another, like cuckoo. Cuckoo comes in autumn season also. Only whenever these birds, cuckoo's birds, we can see only in one season. We cannot see in all the seasons. It only because of the weather condition as well as the scarcity of food. So they move one place to another, and other different water birds are there. They also move one place to another in search of food. So they move to places that have good food resources and pleasant weather. Because of the weather condition and good food resources, they remember that their elder birds remember that which is the place where they can find good food, so that they come in only those seasons. In Assam or other places, we can see parrots in only when the maize or crops comes out. At that time only we can see, but other times we cannot see parrots. So this is the reason why they move. They in search of food, they come to that place and they go again from that place to another place to search or in search of food. This is called migration. Whenever birds in a huge number, not in five or six birds, in a huge number, they move in crores, in thousands of numbers. Whenever they move one place to another in such numbers, this is called migration. Arctic terns are known to undertake the longest journey from one end of the earth to other. Some birds are there, they move one place to another. So some bird also are there, birds also are there, they move one end to another end of earth in search of food and according to weather conditions. So let's learn some words meaning. Feathers. Feathers mean the outer covering of birds. Means the which one, the thing which one covers the body of birds and keep them warm. Hollow. Hollow means having empty space inside. The bones of birds are made, or it became like empty inside the bones, so that their body is very light. Streamlined, something that is board shaped so that it will move more quickly through air. So something like board shaped. Board means you know that a boat which one travels in water. So in those shapes the bird's body also shaped. So because of that they can go in the air in very quickly. Let's learn some points from this chapter. The mother bird lays eggs as soon as the nest is built. So they work hard to make nest, and as soon as uh, nest is built, so mother bird lays eggs in that. And once they hatch, the mother bird takes care of their babies. So as soon as the egg is hatched, means baby comes out of the eggs, then mother bird takes care of their babies. How they care is that keeping them covered, means till the feathers comes from their bodies of other those baby birds. Another one, to fly, birds have light and hollow bones and streamlined bodies, and they also have wings. So to fly a baby bird, they have to be light and hollow bones, means their body structure is like that, is hollow bones. They have holes inside the body, space inside the bones, and also the bird's body is very light and also streamlined, means already learned that their bodies are made like boats so that they can fly quickly in the air. Next one, birds feathers are two types, down feathers and flight feathers. So down feathers means those feathers which one keeps their body warm, and other is flight feathers. Flight feathers means very light but very strong, and it is attached with birds wings so that they can fly. Some birds fly large distances when food becomes scarce or weather conditions become harsh, and this is called migration. Some birds move one place to another. Some birds are there, they move one place to another in search of food, or at that particular places weather condition becomes very harsh, meaning very troubled one. They cannot live in that weather condition, so that they move to other place in search of food in a huge number, means thousands of number, crores or number. In that is called migration. So we have learned this till this chapter, all the chapters we have learned. For after the this one first terminal we have learned 4, 5 and 6. Learn this chapter. From this chapter itself all the questions will come in exam. Learn properly and also read all the chapters, and whatever I have given as notes, that also learn. From there, that only questions will be asked in the exam. And lastly, all the uh, questions will be multiple choice. So or one word answers, learn properly, then only you will be getting good marks. So till then, thank you.